In this video, we're going to show you how to perform a drop mix. Drop mixing lets you transition from one track to another instantly. Essentially, in a drop mix, you press play on the track you are bringing in and slam the crossfader over instantly to cut to the new track. Drop mixing is a great technique to keep the energy up during the mixes, or to use if you're mixing from one genre to another. First, you need to set a cue point on the track you want to drop in. Here, we're going to set it up right where the beat comes in. Make sure you set the cue on the first beat of a bar, also known as a downbeat. Now that it's set, all we need to know is where we are going to drop it in on the outgoing track. You can set a hot cue as a marker at that point to help you time your mix. As with the first cue point you set, you need to set this cue on the first beat of a bar too. Okay, now you're ready to mix the tracks together using a drop mix. Remember, your cue point should be on the first beat of the bar at a dramatic point in the music. By pressing Shift and the cue button, you can quickly jump to the start of the track. As the mix point approaches, get ready to move the crossfader from one deck to the other nice and quickly, and press the play button on the incoming deck at the same time. It might help to count the 4 beats in the bar before your cue point. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. Let's try one more drop mix. This time we're going to use a hot cue to start our incoming track. This hot cue has already been set at a point in the track that works well for a drop mix. It's a very simple technique which lets you cut between different genres simply, as you don't need to worry about EQs or beat matching as much. All you need to worry about is pressing play and moving the crossfader over instantly.